Most guys will never learn boxing, not because they're weak, but because they don't know what to train. No gym, no coach, so they shadowbox randomly and quit in a week. This video fixes that. I'm going to give you a real 30-day boxing system you can do at home. The exact structure fighters use to build stamina, speed, and control. No motivation, no mindset talk, just what to train, how long to train, and in what order. If you follow this for 30 days, your body will change. If you don't, stop watching now. I'm not here to motivate you. Motivation dies in 48 hours. I'm here to give you a schedule. Stay until the end. Phase 1, day 1 to 7. Foundation and balance. Your goal in this phase is simple. Stop being stiff and learn control. Train for 30 to 40 minutes every day. Stance training. Hold your boxing stance for 1 minute. Rest for 30 seconds. Do this 5 times. Your feet should be shoulder width apart. Your rear heel slightly lifted. Hands up at cheek level. Chin tucked down. If your legs start shaking, that means it's working. Footwork. Step forward 20 times. Rule. Your feet always move before your hands. Jab practice. Do 3 rounds. Each round lasts 2 minutes. Rest for 1 minute between rounds. Extend the arm fully. Snap it back fast. Conditioning. Do 15 push-ups. Then 20 squats. Then hold a plank for 30 seconds. Repeat this entire sequence 2 times. Phase 2. Day 8 to 15. Speed and coordination. Now your goal is to look trained, not random. Train for 40 to 50 minutes daily. Warm up. Do 50 jumping jacks. 30 arm circles. Slow neck mobility. Combination training. You'll do 3 rounds. Each round lasts 3 minutes. Rest 1 minute between rounds. First round, jab and cross. Second round, jab, cross, hook. Third round, jab, cross, then slip. Punch at 60% speed. Speed first, power later. Head movement. Slip left 30 times. Slip right 30 times. Roll under imaginary punches 20 times. Move slow, control matters. Shadowboxing. Do 2 rounds. Each round lasts 5 minutes. Move, punch, reset. Conditioning. Do 10 burpees. Then 30 mountain climbers. Repeat this 2 times. Phase 3. Days 16 to 23. Pressure and endurance. Now the goal is staying calm while tired. Train for 50 to 60 minutes. Defensive shadowboxing. Do 3 rounds. Each round lasts 4 minutes. Imagine punches coming at you. Block, slip, counter. Fatigue training. Sprint in place for 30 seconds. Then shadowbox for 2 minutes. Repeat this cycle 4 times. Core and legs. Do 20 lunges, then 25 sit-ups. Then hold a wall sit for 45 seconds. Repeat this sequence 2 times. Phase 4. Days 24 to 30. Fight simulation. This is where most people fail. Train for 1 full hour. Full shadowboxing rounds. Do 5 rounds. Each round lasts 5 minutes. Rest 1 minute between rounds. Move like there's a real opponent in front of you. Defense-only round. Train for 10 minutes. No punches. Only blocks, slips, and footwork. Power finish. Throw 100 controlled punches. Break them into sets if needed. Conditioning finisher. Do 20 jump squats, then 20 push-ups. Then hold a plank for 45 seconds. Repeat this 2 or 3 times. Most men live their whole lives hoping violence never finds them. Fighters don't hope. They prepare. You don't need to be aggressive. You need to be capable. Finish these 30 days, and you won't walk the same again. Pause this video. Start day 1 tomorrow. No announcements. No comments. Just action.